Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday, or whatever day you're watching this. But today, opening day of rifle antelope season. Ooh, getting out of the light. And Bryan and I's dad has a tag. So we're gonna go see if we can find him one. He's got 3 weeks. He's not probably gonna be in too much of a hurry to pull the trigger. He's planning on hunting quite a bit more, so we'll kind of look over a lot of antelope today, hopefully, and then just see kind of what we can find. Hopefully we'll get on some good ones, and as usual, I'm sure we'll probably look over quite a few antelope, which we normally do out here. Our rifle season is kind of the time of the year where we're pretty selective on the antelope that we shoot. We like to look over them, make sure we know what's on there, and try to pick off the best one off of the ranch that we hunt. But he is the only hunter this year that we have, so it's pretty much all about him today and tomorrow and the next 2 weeks. Hey, look who we found.
Hey, what are you doing up there? About to go chase some speed goats, western Nebraska speed goats.
Just got everything unloaded here. Gonna be kind of a chilly morning, about 20 degrees when we got out of the pickup, so we're a little bundled up. Obviously, antelope hunting in snow isn't ideal. Hopefully, we'll still turn some stuff up this morning. We'll just kind of ride through here on our four-wheeler in the Polaris and drive through and see if we can see anything.
This is western Nebraska. Our dad's got a rifle tag, so it is October 12th. And we're gonna go see if we can find us a good goat. We're comparing beards. We came to the conclusion that we only have 3/4 of a man beard. Maybe when we get older, we'll have a good one. That's what 3/4 of a beard looks like.
Got the 25-06 today with some 110 grain Hornady ELDX's precision hitter round.
Okay, we got 2 goats here. They just crossed over into the land, to our private land that we can hunt. So we're gonna book it over here. There's a ridge, and they're gonna be just on the other side, but we got a lot of ground to cover here. Probably half a mile, almost, that we gotta cover before we get to that ridge. So we're moving at a pretty good pace here, seeing if we can't get there before they do.
His cutters aren't as bad as I thought they were, but
No, he's not bad.
he's not crazy tall. He doesn't have
Cutters come up pretty good.
Yeah, his cutters are not at the top of his ear, but maybe 3/4 of the way up.
Hard to tell from this angle. He's coming right at me, so he looks heavy.
They're kind of working their way over here, aren't they? They're just grazing.
That other one's just a little guy, I think, ain't he?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he doesn't have hardly any cutters.
Let's get up and
Down there.
yeah, let's get up kind of more farther to the edge. Let's get a spotting scope out and see if we can see something in there. Looks to me like if you went down the other one, you're gonna get busted.
Went down that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Go down this, and then we can kind of stay on the back side of the hill from them and peek back at them.
Let's do that.
Got a pretty good group spotted. It appears to have a decent buck in it. Not 100% sure how big the buck is, but we're gonna make a move on it. They're probably right now a mile, I'd say. What do you think, a mile? About a mile as a crow flies. So we're gonna work up around here and kind of come around on them, try to get on the back side of some hills and see if we can get back on them and get a better look at this buck. There's the buck.
We got out there, we were kind of playing cat and mouse with him a little bit, trying to get a good look at him. Finally was able to get a good look at him and decided it wasn't really something we wanted to shoot today, so backed out, left him alone, and heading back to the four-wheelers now.
Look at this guy. This guy's a clown.
I'd like to know why they put that left-handed fence in. This isn't Europe.
Hey, was that one left-handed?
No, but it was backwards.
Yeah, I remember the first gate I ever opened.
All right, that's it for the day. My dad and I just got done grabbing our other four-wheeler out of storage, gassing everything up. We're gonna have some extra company tomorrow, so tomorrow's gonna be a great day. Overall, today was a really good day. It's always great when the three of us can get out there and spend time together and look over some goats and just hang out. So we got to look over some decent goats today. Nothing that my dad felt like he was ready to pull the trigger on. We'll be back at it tomorrow and gonna go catch the Husker game now. Check you guys later.